Tape script 9.11. 1. Pat.
If you ask me, this is a terrible idea. Firstly, good body image isn't something that you can teach. Secondly, schools don't have time to add another non-academic subject into their packed curriculum. And another thing is that teachers have enough to do, and it's really down to the parents to try and develop self-esteem in their children. And personally, I've never worried too much about how I look, but that's not the point. The point I'm trying to make is that young people's education should be about qualifications for their future, not worrying about body image.
2. Ian.
To tell you the truth, I haven't really thought about it. I suppose the problem is that there are lots of images of beautiful models out there in the media. But, as far as I'm concerned, people come in all shapes and sizes. I don't see what's wrong with that. Actually, it would be a pretty boring world if we all looked the same, wouldn't it? And personality is what counts after all. And just trying to be happy. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't really feel strongly one way or the other about young people and their body image.
3. Helen.
If you want my opinion, I think this is a really good idea. Many of today's teenagers are obsessed with the idea of physical perfection. Basically, they feel like an outsider if they look different in any way. As I understand it, this is true of boys as much as girls. But the main point is that the media and celebrity culture sells them an image of beauty which they will never achieve. What really worries me is that cosmetic surgery and eating disorders are going to become the norm for the next generation. In conclusion, I think that schools should play a greater role in developing teenagers' self-esteem.